Hello everyone and welcome to another vocabulary video for IELTS. Today's word is joviality. So what does joviality mean? It refers to a cheerful, friendly and lively atmosphere or personality. Basically, it is the quality of being jovial, lot of love, warmth and positive energy. Let me give you a few natural examples. The joviality of my classmates made group discussions much more enjoyable. Even during stressful times, joviality helps everyone stay calm and positive. Family gatherings are special because of the sense of joviality and togetherness. Now, let's see how we can use joviality in IELTS speaking. In part 1, you would say, I enjoy working with my team because there's a lot of joviality, which makes the environment relaxed. In part 2, when describing a memorable experience, you could say, I remember a family wedding filled with laughter and joviality. Everyone was smiling and the atmosphere was unforgettable. And in part 3, for a broader opinion, you would say, I think joviality in the workplace improves productivity because people feel less stressed and more motivated. Okay, here's a quick band 9 tip. Nouns like joviality are excellent for part 2 and part 3 because they help you describe atmosphere and mood in a more academic yet natural way. Alright, that is your vocabulary for today. Try using joviality when you talk about people, events, or environments in your IELTS answers. Thank you.